Today, I'd like to discuss the impending shift in the financial landscape, where Citadel, brokers, and the DTCC will soon offer cash in exchange for your shares. The dynamics are evolving, and the major players are positioning themselves to be the first to exit, likely involving attempts at settlements with retail investors. Hey, welcome to AMC Daily. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But everyone remember, this is not a financial advice video. Prominent figure Biggums took to Twitter, emphasizing the inevitable shift as more people awaken to the situation. The louder we become, the big players will face a need to cannibalize each other. The tide is gradually turning, signaling a departure from mainstream media narratives. Sacrifices will be made, primarily at the expense of smaller hedge funds before they turn on one another, as mentioned by day trader POS. There's a firm conviction that brokers, government agencies, DTCC, FINRA, and, notably, Citadel Securities will extend offers to purchase our shares amidst the financial crisis they find themselves in. Several catalysts suggest that this play's conclusion is on the horizon. Two significant factors often discussed are lawsuits and AMC's fundamentals, either independently or combined, have the potential to trigger the endgame and initiate the AMC squeeze. Discussing the fundamentals, Frank's plays highlighted the success of Taylor Swift's Eras Tour concert film, already surpassing $100 million in advance ticket sales globally. Contrary to naysayers, the film is projected to gross well into the billions. Pop Base added that the demand is so immense that AMC and other exhibitors are adding extra showtimes to meet capacity. The success of these concerts is expected to set a standard, with artists recognizing the potential earnings. AMC, which has been consistently improving its profits, is foreseen to become the gold standard for theatrical distribution, attracting artists globally. Shifting gears to the legal landscape, discussions on naked short selling and its potential implications abound. Retail investors have often pointed to naked short selling as a concern when stock prices plummet. The acknowledgement of loopholes permitting this practice raises questions about market integrity and the potential for widespread fraud. Market makers and brokers seemingly have strong incentives to influence prices, whether labeled as removing volatility or providing liquidity. Lawsuits against brokers are viewed as a means to expose potential fraudulent practices and bolster investor confidence. In the grand scheme, as AMC continues to prosper and rake in significant revenue from various sources, the grip of shorts weakens, and the prospect of them turning on each other and offering cash settlements to retail investors grows more plausible, signifying a turning tide in this financial saga. The ongoing discourse around market dynamics delves deeper into the motivations of brokers and market makers. There's a growing realization that these entities have considerable incentives to manipulate prices, whether it's under the guise of reducing volatility or providing liquidity. The acknowledgement of these incentives reinforces the need for vigilance and regulatory scrutiny to maintain a fair and transparent market. The legal front also comes into focus, with discussions centering on potential fraudulent practices by brokers and market makers. Lawsuits against these actors are seen as a vital step towards shedding light on manipulative actions and holding responsible parties accountable. The increasing number of lawsuits, including those related to AMC, further underscores the potential legal challenges these entities might face. Rattoy, a contributor to the conversation, emphasizes the importance of evidence collection and transparency. Moving shares to alternative brokerage accounts could shed light on the validity of shares and potentially reveal fraudulent practices. This kind of vigilance and proactive approach is viewed as a means to build a strong case against malpractices. Overall, the consensus is that the tide is shifting within the financial landscape. AMC's resilience and continuous growth in revenue are creating a scenario where shorts and hedge funds might begin to turn on each other, potentially offering cash settlements to retail investors. This transformation is seen as a pivotal moment in the ongoing narrative, with eyes on how it will unfold and impact the financial market as a whole. In conclusion, the evolving narrative surrounding the financial world, particularly in the context of AMC and related market dynamics, paints a picture of significant change on the horizon. The conversation delves into the potential shifts in power dynamics, legal battles, and the burgeoning influence of artists in the theater industry. The looming prospect of major players, including Citadel and brokers, offering cash for shares indicates a turning tide. Retail investors seem poised to play a crucial role in this unfolding drama, with potential cash settlements on the table. Moreover, the discussions surrounding legal battles and market manipulation shed light on the need for increased vigilance and regulatory action to ensure a fair and transparent marketplace. The resilience of AMC and the success of events like Taylor Swift's concert film underscore the potential for further growth and prosperity. As artists and their productions gain prominence, AMC emerges as a potential gold standard in theatrical distribution, hinting at a redefined future for the entertainment industry. Overall, the ongoing dialogue reflects a growing awareness of market intricacies and the desire for fairness and accountability. The financial landscape is in a state of flux, and the outcomes of these discussions will undoubtedly shape the future, not only for AMC but for the broader financial realm. It remains to be seen how this narrative will unfold and the impact it will have on the markets and stakeholders involved. Guys, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about AMC stock? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.